Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I will show you a quick tutorial on how to sell Pepe Coin on MEXC Global. Pepe Coin is a new Memecoin inspired by the popular internet meme of Pepe the Frog. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 1,000 USDT beginner's reward to claim. Alright, let's get into it. Open your MEXC app and go to the Wallets tab. Choose Pepe Coin. You can see here I have 190 million Pepe Coins and I want to sell it to USDT. The next step is to select the trading pair. In our case, we will pick Pepe USDT pairs. Make sure you're under the Spot tab. Select the Sell tab here. This red part shows sell orders, and the green part shows the buy orders. The middle part is the current market token price. Keep it under limit order for us to set our own sell price. Here you enter the price you want to sell your Pepe Coin. You can use this to set your sell amount from 1 to 100%. Let me sell all my Pepe Coin. Once all is set, you tap on the sell button. Your sell order will usually show under open orders. Once your set sell price is triggered, it will be executed automatically. Let's wait till it gets sold.
A few moments later.
Great! My sell order has been fulfilled. To check your sell trade history, you tap here and go to trade history. Here you can see my buy order history worth $57, and I sold it for $106, though it could have been more if I kept it longer. But it's still profit, and I don't want to be greedy. Anyways, that is how you sell your Pepe Coin on MEXC Global. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.